Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this design. I'm not going to ever say you're going to draw the design, but you might get some ideas off of it. It's really kind of easy. You just have to remember a few things. First of all, you need to remember that odd size numbers or odd size objects do not center. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to make that right there. And I'm going to hit P and put it in the center page. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my indexing lines. And now we can turn that into a three-sided object, and it's in the center. Where Corel thinks the center is right there, but we know the center is right there. Now I'm going to take some rectangles. I'm going to make mine thicker than I did before. I don't know how thick. You need to make it pretty long. And I'm going to hit P and actually put it in the center of the page. And then I could take my four-sided cross and have it snap to that line. For some reason, it didn't make it. You need the four-sided cross. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm hoping it's long enough. Well, it will be. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate that box 90 degrees or 60 degrees. And that put it at that angle. Now take this and move it over, and you can go up and down. You just need to stay on the side of the indexing line. Now we're going to take a 2-point line, and we're going to draw it from there to there, but then I'm going to take the pick tool, and I'm going to grab that corner and make it longer. That's all that's really to it. Well, we need to take another line, a 2-point line, pretty long, and hit P, and that put it, see, I'm not quite long enough, so I'm going to stretch it. Now I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete the inside two lines and that line. Now, what I do most of the time is Control G to group this so I can move it out of the way. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and set it on blue, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I'm going to nudge this back out of the way and put this back. That way it's in the center of my rotation. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate and double click on the X, or just click on the X and put your center rotation on that spot, and it is, and then rotate it 60 degrees. No, excuse me, 120 degrees. Double that. And then Control D. See, whenever you make a mistake, just start again, Control D. And I almost guarantee the center is still there, 240 degrees, and you've got it. Now to get this, and I think it's going to look a lot better because I use thicker rectangles. To get that glowing effect to that, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and fill in. I think it's better to have that center filled in. And then we're going to, let's try welding it. That worked. You could also combine it. I'm going to take away my indexing lines. I don't need them anymore. I'm going to take a rectangle, and I'm going to smart fill that rectangle with another color just so you can see. And then I'm going to nudge that rectangle over. And then I'm going to fill that in. So I've got that exact shape. I could have probably just made a copy of this, and most definitely could have. But I'm going to I don't want that center, so I'm going to left click, right click. And then I need to go to Effects and Contour. And we're going to contour to the outside, just 0.02. And that's not enough. Let's go 0.05. I must need to go 0.5. Yeah, there we go. Go up to Object and break the contour apart. If you will grab now the inside one and just move it to the side and then move this one over. And then take and make it a light gray, take away the outline, go up to Effects and Blur and Gaussian Blur. Pretty good, a pretty good amount. You know, the further you go, the more blurry it's going to be, but you're also going to lose color. Now I need to go and take this because we created it last. I need to go to Object, Order, Backup Page. Now, when we put this up twice, 3 times. Well, see, it didn't go to the back of the page. Now it's in the back of the page. Now it doesn't look very good, but let's take a rectangle. Let's make it a little bit bigger and fill it in with black. And then go object, order, back of page, and look what you get. You get that fuzzy look. I did one without the center element, and you get just a gray center, which looks good also. But that's pretty cool. And you could do that with a lot of stuff. Almost the same type stuff, and change it quite a bit. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.